Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Fiesta rear wiper. First, gather your tools, including a new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your car is parked securely with the ignition off. Now, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it clicks into its upright position. This provides clear access to the old blade for removal. It's a straightforward process. Next, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the arm. It might require a little wiggle. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the wiper arm itself for any signs of damage or corrosion. A clean arm ensures a proper fit for the new blade. Now for the new blade installation. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the slot on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's locked. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. You're almost done. To complete the process, turn on your car and activate the rear wiper to test the new blade. Watch to ensure it makes full contact with the window and clears water effectively across its entire sweep. This confirms a successful replacement. Remember, regular checks keep your visibility clear. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.